Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On a familiar setting ahead of the match where Arsenal go play against West Ham tomorrow. So they're going to ask Arteta about Bukayo Saka, say how far the guy injury, showing on the fit to play the match against West Ham, how everything will be. So Arteta when they talk so well, say Saka on the train very well. Say in they expect the guy to be available. Until say the physios them they go sanction and so yeah, coachy, use this guy. Get so now the prayer when they pray. So except something else can go happen to Saka for training or something we don't know if he explain, but as of now he is going to be available and this one can be a huge plus because this West Ham match I'm on a very big match, a very big match. We need to win that one. If we win now we're going to say okay now like 4 games remain and our next match against Sef now still small match on paper. They will play against Leeds. Normal supposed to knock those ones back, so it will make sense we could knock West Ham, knock Leeds, can they wait for Tottenham Hotspur, we can jam them, so that it would be very interesting. And I think after we knock West Ham, maybe Tottenham can knock Leicester, then the day we knock Leeds, Tottenham will face Liverpool. So you get, so it will make sense say we don't knock these two. Tottenham maybe they knock Leicester, they can't lose against Liverpool, and we can't gap them like maybe that kind of 4 points. And so even if they play them, anything will won't happen, we'll see the ahead of them with 2 matches to go, Newcastle and Everton. That will be our final 2 matches. So I just pray we'll see how everything will turn out. At the same time, for the media setting, so they can't ask Mikel Arteta about Tomiyasu, whether Tomiyasu will start the match against West Ham. So, but back on the talk, so you know, see Tomiyasu now, he don't day out for a very long time. He gets now against Man U, they just put him for like the last 5 minutes or thereabout. So, if it don't make sense, maybe they just draft and come in directly like this. At the same time, they first still put him on, but Babajo talk say it go take time as they go ease him in. He gets small. Don't say just pack him in because you don't want a situation whereby you go aggravate one kind of injury or can get one kind of recurrent injury. We don't just want put some sign for our Gary. So now small, we go take him. Well, my prayer is I go let me the guy play safe. They play. I go let me play. Even Arteta still going to talk about this West Ham match because last season for this place where we play for them, we play them 3-3. But the first half we just capitulate. As in the first 30 minutes they don't knock us back. Before we know what that before they come back, small match going to end 3-3 last. So Arteta going to talk say in hope say we don't improve from the last team we go there because he know say nobody the same squad, nobody the same defense we go there last season and go now, nobody the same keeper like. Many things don't change for Arsenal squad. So in the talk say we don't improve, we show our improvements. We are going there to fight for the 3 points and we are going to knock them blue and black again. We know they go there go pity for anybody. So we'll just see how the match will go. At the same time, they ask Arteta say since we say our game they sandwiched in between West Ham Europa League matches against Eintracht Frankfurt and West Ham don't lose the first leg 2-1. So whether I feel say West Ham will rest players and how their resting players will affect our own preparation. So back on talk say the truth is that they may rest players at the same time they may choose not to rest players. Say that the prerogative of David Moyes will be their coach. But our own be say whether they rest players so whether they no rest players so we are going there with our normal preparation. We will prepare against them like we will prepare against any normal side, like we prepare against Man U, like we prepare against Chelsea. So irrespective of who they want fielding, it's not our business. Who they go there, go knock them back. Now our own mission be that we are going all out for the 3 points. So now so it will just be. Our transfer guru, whether they call at the most, don't come outside call they let us know say Arsenal and they lead the race for Cody Gakpo ahead of people like Man City and Liverpool. So they talk to the statistics of this guy will make many people they interested in him. They say he don't score 18 goals this season and he don't make 15 assists for PSV. That is why many people they interested say okay they won't sign him. But my own fear is this. In as much as I always preach say we could take risk. If we take the risk, we never know whether we get reward or if we get losses. My own fear now is it going to replicate such a form in the EPL because you know if they compare Holland League all those Eredivisie, you know what they compare with EPL. EPL is a different kettle of fish. I know many people where they perform, where they shine for all those small leagues. Once they come for England, they'll come the flop. They happen a lot. So my prayer be say make things just go in our favor. If we go sign it, I'm gonna sign, I'm gonna try. At least it can't be as bad as Pepe. It go still be a better upgrade to Pepe who we don't get already. After all, bought Pepe for 72 million pounds to get. Now with the reason how to flush him out for 25 million pounds. Come on. Well, we'll take the risk and we'll see how everything will go. David Seaman said don't come outside. Can't talk about Tavares. So Baba can talk say Tavares. They get am worried all the time. Say for that Arsenal defense now, only that left back at the moment, 9 day unsecured. You get say that place you are not reliable. It's not reliable. Like you know if you talk what him go do for any match, if you to play well, if you to not play well, like you can never tell. You get now until match start, and we don't get another person who will fit put there. So we just manage the guy, and it will be a bigger disaster if we go carry Granit Xhaka now when you be original left back player. One can go put there. So we no get choice. And I don't say I think I go down the tell the rest defense like those Gabriel Magalhaes, Ben White say make una they also monitor this Tavares. So when they assistant, they shout his name. No. If he come out of position, call him back. You see the smally you get. Normal, I'm not supposed to do the day first 11 like this. So if we say now all those academy cup or send them out on loan, you get. So now our prayer be that. Well, the pray say make the guy head correct or as they go in for our crucial set of matches will remain. Paul Merson himself don't come outside. Can't talk about what in the sea for Arsenal midfield. Say Arsenal no get a deep line playmaker. We feel they throw diagonal passes. You get all those kind you do for the front of the back for. Can't they throw some kind of passes to people in the front like Saka. You get so we no get those kind of midfielders. Saying that those kind of midfielders in go like no go buy moving forward. So it go help us so that the pressure no go dey only on Odegaard. So when Mikel Arteta did for Arsenal, he was doing that role very, very well. We bought him from Everton. He was doing it very, very well. So they expect us to buy somebody in that mode. And somebody go do that kind of thing. All those kind of Ruben Neves, all those kind of Awa, all those kind of Marcel Sabitzer, these kind of people, if they did there, they will try. So Baba they talk to all those kind of Partey, all those kind of Xhaka. See they no sabi do all those kind that their vision no long like that to get from a deep line playmaker role, just throw and go front. But there is a score. Well, now at the end of the summer, I assure me that I say Arsenal will sign confirmed player like that. They will sign Neves, they will go for they will sign they must sign. Because I believe they don't learn that lesson from this season. Be say Partey go injury, when they feel all those kind of Charlie Patino, Lokonga, all those, no. They will sign somebody. I'm still at the media setting, so they're going to ask Mikel Arteta about how he will solve a left back problem. Because so Baba can they praise the versatility of Tomiyasu. So Baba can they talk say why ain't like Tomiyasu and why ain't they happy say the guy don't come back. We say the guy will give us many dimensions moving forward. Like if you want to cure that Tavares problem now, so Tomiyasu can play left back, he can play right back, he can play left centre back, he can play right centre back. See now God's gift, God just give him that gift to get. He can play anywhere across the back line. So don't be surprised if we go see a Tomiyasu playing in left back. Like he is good with both feet. If you run from that left back square, play with left. If you run from right back square, play with right. So I never know whether Arteta will deploy the guy against West Ham as an experimentation. Because no how if you want experiment, they will run the trial for training ground. We'll see how it will work because across that back line, now only Tavares be our weak link. If let's say Tomiyasu can play there, plug that gap, Cedric Suarez plug the gap of right back, then the Magalhaes and Ben White can be free. So okay, nothing they solve. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do our job normal. At least they will fit protect Ramsdale very well. I never know whether I will deploy him. Well, more they watch ya. They got Papa said don't come outside again. No can they talk say say no go lie saying Pidgin they very, very happy here. Saying Pidgin get bond. Better bond with Arteta. And at the same time, say Pidgin if he stay for Arsenal for more than 10 years old because the guy they enjoy him play. And I would say every footballer they like the fans love you, the coach love you, the staff are happy with you, your teammates are happy with you. You guys are bonding where you are playing the best game of your life, you are enjoying, you are starting game after game, week after week. What they get they define? And now they play very well, now they collect results, now they high up the table. The guy they talk to now be the one person who say don't give more key passes for this season for our league. You get the guy pass, the guy have visionary, the zero die. So what did they find again? So I just dey happy say Papa they give him accolades. Everybody said they give Odegaard accolades. Don't be only Saka, Smith-Rowe we praise all the time. At least Odegaard say when they collect some accolades, when belly the sweet, when they know say yes, I'm doing something right. It's a nice one. Away from that, so Sports BILD, wey be one media house for Germany, don't come outside for let us know say Julian Brandt of Borussia Dortmund say the guy go dey available at the end of the summer. Say the guy won't leave Germany and he won't come EPL. So what to make this news, this significance to us, be say once upon a time in the past, Arsenal the reason Julian Brandt, the guy that's super number 10, say the one signer. This guy, like give all those Macorius pass, like that way Dembele did there. That way who else did this? Eli Haaland said never even did that time. Macorius don't take for them now. We say Julian Brandt they give them pass. Julian Brandt, one of the senior man for Germany before. But now I don't think say still the German football. Like the guy is still good. He has a lot to prove because many people they feel say in career don't finish. You get now he won't come EPL. You say EPL is very very attractive. So I don't know whether Arsenal go reason or whether they will go back for him. Well, now at the end of the summer we don't really know because Arsenal will go for him in the past. Say they want time. What they watch him. On my monetary spirit today, they call Toto Mercato Web. Don't let us know. Say Newcastle and Porto. Say that they're highly interested. Like they prepare for a move to sign Cedric Suarez of Arsenal. You know, say Arsenal don't rejuvenate the guy career now as they don't give him more playing time as Tomiyasu to get injury. Many people call this scamp and even Portugal self call him up for their own matches. So I know say club self over they will scamp him now because the guy they play very very well. So now they didn't say they won't sign him. So I never know whether Arteta will sanction the deal at the end of the summer because I know we are also looking for more right back replacements or deputy for Tomiyasu because many people don't talk in the past say Cedric Suarez is not good enough, but the guy can't prove against all odds. Let us know say I'm as good as anybody. I can take this position and make it my own. And the guy they play very very well now. He don't try to stay away from injury. So we are really enjoying what he's doing. So me, I just be very happy with that. Well, everything that Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and Richard Garlic hand, and then we'll decide at the end of the day whether make them sanction him and make them leave him. Because I don't see they see the eye Tariq Lamptey, they see the eye Zeki Selik, they see the eye Max Aarons, many right back options within the eye. So more the watch as everything will turn out. I'm on ESPN, you'll be one of our monitoring spirit. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Arsenal don't contact Pablo Dybala representative over a potential move to the Emirates. They ask someone carry the guy because the guy is a free agent. They don't announce them officially. This one is official news. We don't go ask them how far I go be. Now only salary we will discuss with them. We are not paying any fee to Juventus because it is a free transfer. But the problem is nobody else did there. Man City, Liverpool, many people did there with the reason the guy because they're free now. So we don't like free things, especially when it is a high quality player. And the guy don't win like 4 Scudetto, win like 3 cups. The guy don't win plenty things. It's very very good to get. I know say Juve now they don't assemble star-studded side. So as they still get Vlahovic, they won't build the team on Vlahovic. Once upon a time, they won't build up on Dybala, but the structure no can hold. Now they won't build up on Vlahovic. Well, I don't know how it will be. Well, I must still really go for this Dybala. I will not go for her. Now Arteta then will know. So if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week and I get out.